All right, and in India's Munmun Bhattacharya joins us from Toronto. Munmun, it's day 3 of Toronto International Film Festival. What can we expect from the Indian side today? Munmun?
It's a pretty dynamic day as far as India is concerned. At TIFF, Shole's red carpet and screening is slated to take place on Saturday. Ramesh Sippy, director of the 1975 iconic Indian film Sholay, will be walking down the red carpet. I also had a chat with him for Doordarshan before the screening, and he shared his thoughts on the occasion as both Sholay and TIFF complete 50 years. So it's a landmark year for both. Other than that, a red carpet and screening of Gandhi web series directed by Hansal Mehta, a first for India in 10 years of primetime section of TIFF, will also be taking place. First 2 episodes of the first season of From Mohan to Mahatma, covering his lifespan from 18 to 46 years, will be screened. World premiere of Bayan, directed by Vikas Ranjan Mishra, which is a tense detective story tackling sexual abuse accusations, is also going to be there on Saturday. It is the only Indian film selected under the Discovery section at TIFF, which highlights debut and sophomore features from emerging filmmakers. It stars Huma Qureshi, the Indian actor. Also In Search of the Sky, which is India's only entry this year in Centerpiece section, will also be screened. I had spoken earlier to the cast and crew about the idea driving the film and the experience shooting it during the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Anurag Kashyap's Bandar or Monkey in a Cage will be screened in the special presentation section of TIFF. Besides that, Wave's inaugural session will be taking place on Saturday with the focus on positioning India in the global media and entertainment markets. You will also get to hear from India's Academy Award-winning producer Guneet Monga on an initiative called Women in Films India that she is driving in collaboration with the INB Ministry to help emerging women filmmakers from India get support in terms of funding, etc. And the day finally ends with Bharat Parv, which is a cultural evening that will celebrate Indian cinema, culture and cuisine with musical performances by a few winners of the Create in India Challenge. You would remember that there were many challenges that were held in India under that banner, and they were all aimed at finding and honing creative talent in India in the media and entertainment space. So that in a way rounds up the day's agenda for India at TIFF.
Well, it seems like Munmun Bhattacharya is having a great time in Toronto.